What's up guys? We are
The UAP students!
and now we here at
The Banaan Museum is a local museum in Lingayen, Pangasinan that preserves and showcases the history, culture, and traditions. The word Banaan means meeting place or tagpuan. That means heritage, treasure, or something valuable that is preserved. The name reflects the purpose of the museum to protect and share the important cultural and historical treasures of Pangasinan for future generations.
The Banaan Museum was established by the Pangasinan provincial government to promote and preserve the province's cultural heritage. It is located near the Capitol building of Pangasinan. The museum was open to the public to help people, especially students and tourists, learn about the early life of Pangasinan, local legend, colonial history, World War II events, and notable Pangasinan personalities. Through the different galleries and exhibits, visitors can see artifacts, artwork, and historical display that tells the story of the province from the past to the present.
Asin Gallery. First stop is the Asin Gallery. This gallery highlights the importance of salt production in Pangasinan. Alam naman natin na ang Pangasinan ay kilala sa paggawa ng asin. At dito makikita kung paano ito naging malaking bahagi ng kabuhayan at kultura ng mga tao noon hanggang ngayon.
Pre-colonial or prehistoric gallery. So, next naman tayo is the pre-colonial or prehistoric gallery. So, makikita dito kung paano namuhay ang mga sinaunang Pangasinense bago dumating ang mga mananakop. May mga artifacts at tools na nagpapakita ng kanilang pamumuhay, tradisyon at paraan ng pakikipagkalakalan.
Mythology Legend Gallery. Now, we are here at the Mythology or Legend Gallery. This gallery features local legends and stories from Pangasinan. Isa sa mga kilalang kwento dito ay ang Serena Id San Juan o ang Mermaid of San Juan River. Ipinapakita nito kung paano naging bahagi ng kultura at paniniwala ng mga tao ang mga alamat.
Next is the Princess Urduja Gallery. Ang gallery na ito ay dedicated kay Princess Urduja, isang kilalang warrior princess sa kasaysayan at alamat ng Pangasinan. Sinasabi na siya ay matapang, matalino at pinuno ng isang kaharian na pinamumunuan ng kababaihan.
Galleon Trade Gallery. Welcome to the Galleon Trade Gallery. This gallery talks about the trade between the Philippines and other countries during the Spanish period, especially the trade between Manila and Mexico through large ships called galleons. Dahil sa kalakalang ito, maraming produkto, kultura at ideya ang nagpalitan sa pagitan ng mga bansa.
Next is the Spanish and American Colonial Gallery. Dito makikita ang epekto ng pananakop ng Spain at Amerika sa Pilipinas. Pinapakita ng gallery na ito kung paano nagbago ang sistema ng pamahalaan, edukasyon, relihiyon at pamumuhay ng mga Pilipino noong panahon ng kolonyalismo.
World War II or Post-War Recovery Gallery. Now, we are here at the gallery about World War II. Makikita dito ang mga pangyayari noong panahon ng digmaan at kung paano naapektuhan ng Pangasinan at ang mga tao dito. Pinapakita rin kung paano muling bumangon ang probinsya matapos ang mga pagsubok na dulot ng digmaan.
Pangasinan Katipuneros Gallery. Next is the Pangasinan Katipuneros Gallery. This gallery features the Pangasinense heroes who joined the revolution against the Spanish colonizers. Dito makikita ang kanilang kontribusyon, katapangan at sakripisyo para makamit ang kalayaan ng Pilipinas.
Next is the Folk Arts and Literature Gallery. This gallery highlights the rich culture of Pangasinan through traditional arts, crafts, and literature. Here you will find examples of art, literature, and tradition that show the identity and culture of the Pangasinense.
And lastly, we have the National Arts and Notable Personalities Gallery. This gallery features famous personalities from Pangasinan who made significant contribution in art and culture, such as Fernando Poe Jr. and Victorio Edades. Ipinakita dito ang kanilang mga achievements at kung paano nila naipakita ang talento at kagalingan ng mga Pinoy.
Dito na tayo sa last guys. Say hi guys! Kilala niyo ba si Fernando Poe?
Yes!
Oh my God!
What's up? Hello guys, we are
Ito po yung naging bangka namin nung So, hi guys. Dito kami ngayon. Oh, guys. Tapos na, guys. Bye-bye. Bye.
at doon na natatapos ang museum tour. Bye-bye!